Yay!
What? Is it what?
Point.
Wait, this sometime?
Good. Pachi Pachi Kichalach, we used to call it.
Look.
Pachi Pachi
Turn it down.
Kichalach.
Gonna do it again?
Mama Kefin Shichalach. Tatas Gakon.
No, she might be able to buy the coaching soft still, because they say they're for older kids.
I know, Mom, we have these in the library.
Are these these?
Yeah, we have the exact same blocks in the library.
Oh, okay.
And only 2 children have chosen.
No, it's very hard to actually bite off.
And who gave her the paper? That's a great toy.
She'll eat it down.
The paper she will eat.
She tore it already. Don't,
I don't care if she tears it, just the
don't put it in her mouth though.
She'll put it in her own.
Oh, that's.
Well, because the ink that they use is toxic. That's why you can't recycle wrapping paper.
Really?
You can
Yeah.
get 129.
That's why you're also not supposed to burn it.
30% off.
That's supposed to.
Everyone does.
Where-
But it burns so
What do you
good.
think we're talking about? Where do you think we're talking
I
about?
know
Yes,
this
of
one.
course, we're talking about
That's
the grocery store.
adorable.
The Coach factory.
Well, because we have to
There's
go
a
back.
cost
To fix, get
Oh,
your gloves fixed.
Well, because we have to go back to get my gloves fixed because
Well, we
they
can
got me
keep them
Coach
here.
gloves. They look like black leather assassin gloves, so I love them.
And then you can play with them all week.
Yeah, and so, but like they ripped on the side right here.
Wait, Jojo,
So-
isn't there a...
It's kind of annoying because we bought them and
They
then she
told me
came
what
at
size to get.
Thanksgiving and they told her what
Isn't
size.
there a
You
what?
know, we have a Coach outlet across the street from our house.
No way.
I would be broke.
Yes, in the Camarillo.
All
Yeah,
of
the
my money would be
Camarillo
down the
outlets. There's
tubes.
a Coach
Oh my god, that's
What
hilarious.
is your email address?
Adorable.
I mean, there's a Coach outlet like
AKRA.
2.5 miles.
North of us,
I mean, 2.5.
There's one in,
Not 2.5 miles.
Oh, look what look
There's
at
one like an hour south of Seattle.
Well, there's a, I don't know if we
There's
can
one
vote Sam.
south of Wilsonville.
There's an
Let's see
outlet
if
in
she's a real
Is there-
Wilsonville.
baby.
There's an outlet near where.
guarantee that they always.
Where you live?
Yeah, they will.
That's the Coach
There's-
motto. They will always guarantee their products. So
Exactly.
Yeah.
Well, and then there's a Coach outlet where the iZod outlet is in Loveland, which is like 40
Do you have the
minutes.
receipt for
And the
that?
Coach stuff is actually well made.
You have the
It's not
receipt for
ridiculous.
You don't need a receipt.
No, not for Coach.
It's just ridiculous. A Coach purse costs maybe $250, right?